Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Look at this guy, guys. ON. So it's an earnings play, and look what our AI found. Our AI found, gotta try to bring the screen in here. Just give me a moment. Here we go, guys. ON. So suggestion to short it right around 71.71. 66.88 is the current price right now. And what I was saying in the room is that this could have an opportunity to get all the way down here. Down here meaning the low of that monthly candle, which is 66, I think. Let me see what it is. It is 66.67. What did it get down to today? 66.55 before it's maybe having a little bit of a bounce. So just a tremendous alert from our AI. This is an earnings play. Of course, the semis and most of the tech stocks are not having a good day. Well, actually, the market's having a pretty decent day, but this individual tech stock is not having a good day at all. And the AI definitely alerted to it, and many in the room took this trade. All right, everybody, I want to get back in the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.